My name is Abhijeet Bhoge, and I am a transportation designer from Mumbai basically. So basically now I represent Studio34, which is a company started by me and three of my friends who studied together in IID Torino. So the idea of doing something in the field of automotive design, or let's say transportation design, when we go back home was decided when we were there back in Turin. We were pretty excited about this field, and we always thought that we are rarer than the actors or the heroes that are seen, because you will not see a lot of designers around you for inspiration also in India. So we thought that when we go back to India, we'll not only look for normal jobs, but we'll also do something that will create an industry or create a domain, an opportunity for other people to do something which was not there before. We were all studying together in Turin, and we had decided that whenever we go back to India, we are going to do something exciting, something of ourselves. And because we knew there were no studios in India that are providing these services or doing something like, we were not really interested in doing services that time. We were just very passionate about car designs and bike designs, and we wanted to do it freely. And we were just boys, and we wanted to do it just like you are. We were inspired by design lifestyle, and we wanted to live that life of a designer. And so we thought that it would be nice if we do something of our own. We will be one of the first people to do it in India, and that would give us that glamour and that recognition, fame. So we didn't think out that so deeply what would happen, but that was just plain honest idea that we will do something of our own and design a lot of cars. It was a wonderful idea, but we did not leave it. When we came back, we did register a company in 2010, and then we went on to work side by side, in the background. We kept on working whatever small projects we got, right from designing visiting cards to brochures, graphics, anything that we can get hand on. So we have designed t-shirts also, and graphics on the t-shirts, and mugs and dustbins and buckets and everything that we could do. It was not a very ideal journey, but it was a fun journey. I mean, eventually we did start designing for major OEMs for automotive, but the process was really enjoyable, and we were working because we needed money to sustain ourselves, and at the same time we had to feed our creative instincts as well. So we kept on doing whatever design projects that we could get for at least 6-7 years until we got our first serious transportation design project. And now Studio34 is, I think, one of its kind design studio in India, which is providing all the transportation design services under one single roof. And somehow we want to inspire even young people that now even they can do it, and they can, if they are passionate about designing, they should go out and do it. Well, it is possible, because if we can do it when there was nothing around, even they can do it when the facilities are much better. And in fact, people are more aware about design, of accepting design as a full-time profession. So if you think you have it in you, just go ahead and pursue it. So that's my story in short.